Ka showroom kali batmai jangka Tata Motors Keladon hage jela mentah. Wan saka Frank Motors like goringi Shillong.
Uba Preston song long ba unong ilam kaliang persya uday ban Iceland da kekerteng jogi MLA ke NPP ki ba ong ba kinum ya kuncu ya ke election na ke NPP. Unong ilam kaliang persya aka jelau Dr. Mukul Sangmau long ba kiladon bun ke MLA ke ba menta ki ban mino na ke NPP banyakun na ki wepat ki party ha ke election ban long hau arjar atulai. Apa jubab ya kejing keno jong Dr. Mukul uba Preston upadai National Vice President ke NPP ulong bakarukom keren ke jong Dr. Mukul lakum ba utiplut hakaba ula bendra ba unong ilam kaliang persya hap ban perkat chwa yeladi ban namar kejing bam sngu sngan shu ban syajet biang hakipai ba kadai ya uru.
What I can say is I would like to request through you, the leader of opposition, to furnish me the names of those people who is not going to contest from NPP. I would request him fervently to kindly furnish me the names of those MLAs who are not willing to contest or to remain with the NPP. I am not a person who can, foretell the winnability of each candidate, be it a sitting MLA or be it a fresh candidate. So it is up to the public to ultimately, the voters concerned, to vote. So I can't say anything whether the sitting MLAs will again come back or not. So therefore election is election. So I differ with him about that. The way he given the prediction as if he knows everything. But let me just tell you, I would like to remind the leader of opposition. That time, I think 2018 election, he claimed himself big. He said that I'm coming back to be chief minister of Meghalaya, but he lost ultimately. I think as far as election is concerned, let him also think of himself to survive. Okay, because anti-incumbency, it happens everywhere. Be it MLA, be it FGC, that will be there. That we know it, but it depends on how you perform, how you walk in your respective constituency. I think that is more important than anything else.